So hello friends, welcome back to channel. In last video we have discussed about how to check the IP. But whenever we attach a NIC card where we are assigning a IP, it is having one hardware address like MAC. Okay, we call it MAC. So how you'll find what's the MAC address of my Ethernet? Because if your network card got failed and there are two network card on your system, how you will identify which network card needs to be removed and which needs to be remain on that location only. So in that case, what we are doing, we are going with the MAC address. So let me show you first how we are doing. Ifconfig, okay. So this is a loopback. This is automatically created, okay. ENP0S8. It is having a physical address, MAC address 080027F884FE ether. Okay, this is the complete MAC address. And for this ENP0S3, we are having 6A03 MAC address. So I will go into my virtual machine and I will show you how to identify. So this is my virtual machine. I have opened my setting on this. So I am having two adapters, 1 and 2. So you are able to see MAC address. It is 6A03 and 84FA. We'll go into machine 6A03 84FA. Same. So if my this Ethernet is not working, okay, so I will guide to a vendor like HP, Dell, or whatever hardware we are using. Will guide. Okay, I am having this Ethernet on my system which is having this MAC address which is not working. Could you please reinstall it or reinsert it or remove it, change it? Okay, so they will go into virtual machine and they will check. Okay, so they will able to identify which MAC address is attached to which NIC and they will work on a proper NIC. Okay, it's not like that. Okay, there are two NIC, will work on both the thing. No, we'll give a MAC address. Accordingly, they will log into that NIC and they will do their troubleshooting part like hardware or whatever. Okay, we'll come back to system. So if config, we are able to see the IP address, Ethernet, and the physical address, MAC address. Why physical address is required? So whenever you attach to like any device, it is having one serial number. So this MAC address will not change. If you reinsert the new card, you will get a new MAC address. MAC address will change according to card, not to OS. And if I remove this Ethernet from this machine and install in some other machine, that machine on that machine Ethernet will get same because this MAC address is bind to your network card, not to your system. Okay, wherever you attach the network card, it will get the same MAC address. So it helps to identify trace back. It helps to trace back if we are having something. Okay, so using a MAC address we can trace. Okay, it is coming from which machine. So we'll learn those things in a later part of video that far away from now we have to cover long path, but understand how to find the MAC address. So this is the thing. If config and you will get that thing. Now you know the Ethernet name. There are some other command also. If you do for IP, you can do IPA. You will get that IPA. Okay, but in IPA, I am not able to see my MAC address. See, so if config command will show you MAC address, but IPA will show you the IP thing. Okay, and it will show you the state. What is this thing? We have one more command ETH tool, but for that we have to pass the Ethernet name. Okay, so it will show multiple informations. We'll go, currently it's showing link detected, yes, means it's up and working. We'll go to all information like we are having command ifconfig, IPA, ETH tool, IP link show. We are having multiple command to find, and if there is a different uses. So if I'm doing IP link show, I'm getting okay, this is the my Ethernet. It is having MTU set. Okay, It is state is up, mode is default, link is this. Okay, this is the thing, and it is not showing the IP address over here. So it is showing status and all the things. So there are different use cases, and there are different uses of different command. We'll try to cover all the commands and all the use cases, but linear sequential manner, because otherwise you will get confused, and I don't want to you become a confused on this. So let's learn together. Okay, so today what we have learned, how to check the MAC address using ifconfig command. Okay, if you are having long list of ethernet, what you can do, you can copy name and if config, if there is config, give the name, you will get that particular ethernet detail. Okay, so that's all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, practice this if config command. Bye bye.